Hello. Hello.
हेलो हेलो सर जी।
Yeah, hello sir. Shall we
वी नॉट
start?
राइट। क्या चाल है?
Yeah, thank you. I'm good. Okay. So today is the first lecture, right? Okay. So I have sent you some videos on WhatsApp that day. Did you get time to watch them?
यस यस आई वाज।
You watched them? Okay. So see, today it is the first lecture. Basically, we'll be starting with the topic of pronunciation in this. Okay.
ओके
So as such, nothing to note down. All the notes I will send you. You can take a printout later. So just enjoy the lecture. Nothing to note down. Okay.
ओके
Later you can take your notes. Yeah.
ओके
So first of all, you have to understand the importance of this topic. See, what happens is whenever you start a new language, it's not only German, whether French, Spanish, Hindi, English, any language, right? So first of all, directly you should not start with the grammar. My voice is echoing.
शुड आई पुट माय फोन? ओके
Uh, I think it's better now. Yes.
या नाउ इट इज बेटर यस।
Yeah. So what I'm saying is that first of all, you have to understand the letters which are used in that language. Okay. You have to understand their sounds. That what are the sounds? It is not necessary that whatever sound ABCD is having in English, same sound ABCD might have in German. It is not at all mandatory. Okay. In every language,
यस
the script is same. All the European languages they use same ABCD, but the sounds are some are same, some are totally different, which you will see today.
यस यस यस
Okay.
यस यस
So I have shared my screen. I hope you can see that,
यस
right? So first of all, what we will do, we will be starting with the topic of this letters, right? I'll be playing one ABCD video. This is basically the German ABCD letters. Just like in English, you have something called as ABCD, EFGH. Same kind of ABCD we have in German, but the names of letters are different. In English, you say ABCD,
आबासा
yeah, ABCD,
यस
EFG. In German, you will say ABCD, like that.
यस
Okay. So I am playing this
यस
video. Try to listen to it twice. Yeah.
ओके
Hmm.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Yeah. Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Yeah. So now you have to repeat it with me. Okay. You have to repeat after me. A B C D
आ बी सी डी
A F G
ए फ गे
A F G
ए एफ गे
H I J K
हा ई यॉट का
L M N O P.
एल एम एन ओ पे
Once again. H I J K
या आ ई यॉट का
Ha ha H I
हा
J
हा
K.
सॉरी
Hmm.
आ ई
Hmm.
यॉट का
Hmm. L M N O P.
एल एम एन ओ पे
Q R S T
U R R S T
U V W
U पाव वे
X
एक्स
Epsilon
सिलोन
Epsilon
इप्सिलॉन
und Z.
und जेड।
What I mean by und, I am writing something here. Und is called and. Okay. The word und means and. So when I say X, Y, and Z, that will be X, Epsilon und Z. Right? Okay. Yeah. Now listen to it again and then you will repeat that. Okay. I'm playing it twice.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Yeah. Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Okay. So that is the German ABCD. Now you have to understand where you will use that. You are going to write down the A1 exam. So in the A1 exam, one fixed question is there. 99.99% time they will ask you to repeat the letters of your name. Okay, right? In the with the German ABCD. See, understand the purpose. Whenever, let's say, just suppose that you are in India, right? You go to a government office, and the employee who is there, he is asking your name. That repeat your name. He just imagine that he's something like non-native from your place. Let's say I am from Delhi, and to the office where I go, the person is from, let's say, Calcutta. He doesn't know English so well. So he will ask me that
Yes.
repeat the letters of your name, right? That's a common question. So I will say, sir, R-A-M-A-N, like that. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
same thing can happen with you in Germany also. When you are going to some office and the person is asking your name in German, he doesn't know English, right? So he might ask you that tell me the letters of your name in German. So similar kind of question they ask in the exam, that you have to read out the letters, first letters of your name or letters of your first name. So AJIT is your name, right? Try to spell it.
Yes.
Hmm.
T. Sorry.
Yeah.
T.
And if I write full name,
Ka.
Hmm. No, not ka. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Yeah, Ka, U.
No, I was saying Kumar ka naam.
Yeah, okay. Ka, U. Mm-hmm.
Ka.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Mm-hmm.
M.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
R.
R, not
R is
Ra.
most difficult. So,
R.
R. Okay. R.
R. Okay. So you should be very clear with this, right? You should not have any doubt in that. Don't say AJIT there, okay? Don't use English. They will cut the marks, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is the thing, and I am.
E.
Yes. I am playing this. I am sending this video again to you after the class. You can listen to it if you want. Okay.
Sure.
Now we will be starting with the actual topic, that is the pronunciation rules. Okay. See, whatever I have given you, this ABCD. These are the names of letters. Right?
Right.
The ABCD which we did, these are the names of letters. But now we have to start with the actual topic, that is the rules. What I mean by rules, let's say if I write your name AJIT, I never call you as AJIT, right? I will
Yes.
call you as Ajit, because when I am speaking, I am using the sounds, right? That
Right.
AJINT, all the sounds mixed together, that becomes Ajit. If I say RAMAN, you don't call me RAMAN, you will call me Raman, because you are mixing the sounds of all the letters and then you are constructing a word. Okay.
Right.
So the real topic is these rules, these sounds you have to understand that okay, A is called A in German, but what is the actual sound of that? B is called B in German, but what is the actual sound of B in German in different scenarios? So that we will start now, right? This PDF I will share with you. You can take a printout later. Just see here first. So German, as I told you, it uses the same Roman set of letters from A till Z, same which we have in English. Apart from that, 4 extra letters are there, which I will tell you in the end. A till Z, these are two parts. There are two parts, vowels and consonants. Okay, vowels are same, A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining are consonants in German. So first of all, I have drawn one table here. Understand this: whenever any word ending with B, D, and G in German, any word ending with B, D, or G, any word ending with B, D, or G, that is in the end of the word if B, D, or G is coming, then respectively the sound of that B, D, and G will be per, ta, and ka, P, T, and K. Okay, so speak this example. Speak the example. Right hand side. Geep.
Geep.
Yeah. Next.
Kint.
Kint.
Tak.
Tak. If you see here, GIB, I have written geep. Okay, this geep I have written in double quotes. This is the sound. Okay, don't confuse it with the spelling. Right. After the class, if you want to refer to the sound, you have to speak like this: geep, kint, and tak. Okay, the left hand side is the actual word, in the middle it is the sound, and in the rightmost it is the meaning. So geep means give, kint means child, and tak means day. So we have very common greeting Guten Tag. So you don't call it Guten Tag from today. It's called Guten Tag. Okay?
Guten Tag.
Geep, kint, and tak. Exactly. Geep, kint, and tak. B, D, G, P, T, K. Right? Whenever the word ending with B, D, and G, respectively the sound will be per, ta, and ka. Geep, kint, and tak. Next is A. Next is A. A is having two sounds. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay? A is having two sounds, A and A. A and A. How you will decide? You have to count the consonants coming after A. You have to count the consonants. What are consonants? This B, C, D till Z. These are called consonants. Right? So you have to count the consonants coming directly after A. Which are coming directly after A, that number of consonants you have to count. So if I see the first example A and T, tell me how many consonants after A?
2.
Two. Okay.
Hmm.
2. Then FRAGEN.
Two.
After A, how many? Second word.
Okay, 1.
Directly only one. I am asking directly. So directly only G. Right?
Yes.
Directly only G. And after G E is there, so I will not include that N in the count. So it is only 1.
Okay.
Then TRAGEN. How many after A directly?
1.
1. Rule is after A, if it is one consonant, it is the A sound. Otherwise, A sound. So speak the example. Alt. Not alt. It's alt. Alt.
Alt.
Little bit A you can put, but don't make it pure A. Okay, it's like little bit A. Alt.
Fragen
Fragen.
and Dragon.
Alt, Fragen and Tragen. Correct. Next is E. E is having the A sound. A like, let's say you have a word called payment. Payment, A sound. A. Payment. Okay. A sound. So speak the example.
Essen.
Sn.
Egal.
Egal.
Or
Not
Agal.
egal.
Okay, Agal.
Egal. After a one consonant, that is the A sound. Okay. Egal.
Okay.
Right. Then after I, there are there are two rules basically in I. After I, if it is one consonant, that is the long E sound. Okay. Otherwise, short E. After I, if it is one consonant, then it is the long E. Otherwise, short E. So speak the example first.
East.
Short E. There are three. East.
Wider.
Wider.
Wider. Built.
East, wider and built. Okay.
Built.
East, wider and
D is coming. Okay.
built. Correct. D in the end is the east, wider and built. Right.
Okay.
Now if you see here GIB, tell me after I how many?
1.
One. So long E. Geep.
E.
Okay. Then after I how many?
1.
Second.
Two. Sorry. Two.
Two. Short E. Kint.
Kint.
Then after A how many?
1.
One. So A. Tak. Right. Geep, Kint and Tak.
Okay.
A, E and I. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. Okay. O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, that is having the O sound. Otherwise, it is O for awesome, O sound. Okay.
Awesome. Okay.
Yes. After O, if it is one consonant, that's the O for Korea sound. Otherwise, O for awesome. So speak the example.
Oh dear.
Oder.
Okay.
Next.
Order. Zol. Monad. Quark.
Oder, Zol, Monad and Kork. Correct. Next is U. U is having the U sound. Speak the example.
U.
Yeah.
Example is
Tune.
Okay. Tune. Motor. And what is this? Shoe.
Shoe. Tune, motor and shoe. See SCH. SCH is a combination. Okay. SCH is having sh sound. SCH is a constant combination. SCH is having the sh sound. Sh. SCH is a constant combination. SCH is having sh sound. And H in the end is silent. H in the end is silent. So that becomes
silent.
shoe. Right. So first of all, what I am doing?
H in the end is always silent. Huh?
Always silent. H we will discuss more once I take consonant. So there you will see H is silent everywhere except the first position. So what I have done, first of all, I have sent you this PDF, okay, in your Skype chat. Open that. Download the file.
Yes. Actually, for the I'm doing first time Skype screen sharing session.
Okay. You can turn off the video if not required. Okay. Let me end my screen sharing. That's why you are not finding that. I am pinging you. Hello there. Check it. Check on the top right. You might be getting some notification from Skype.
Yeah. Now I saw your.
Yes.
Save as option is coming.
Yeah. The pronunciation part one. Video you can download later. Download the PDF first. Got the file?
Yes, I got it.
Download the pronunciation file and for 5 minutes go through the rules A, E, I, O, U. Try to learn the rules. Read them at least 5-10 times. Okay? A, E, I, O, and U. Till you have to learn them. Okay? Take 5 minutes of time. Learn the rules. After that, you will explain me everything from A, E, I, O, U. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm opening the PDF.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got the file?
Yeah, I opened the PDF.
A, E, I, O, U. Go through the rules. Go through the rules at your end for 5 minutes. Okay? We will not discuss for 5 minutes. Just try to learn them and then you will explain me all together. Okay?
Okay.
Try to retain them because you have to learn these rules, right? After some time you will practice the word, so you should be remembering the rules. A, E, I, O, and U, that what is happening in what scenario. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Try to learn them in 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, sorry to ask again. For E, there is only one sound. Huh?
A, only one sound. E and U, they don't have any double rule. Only one rule is there.
Okay, so irrespective of the consonant or whatsoever,
Yeah.
E is always A.
A. You don't have to do any counting there.
A.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, one more question. I was under the impression that for A and I, A is always like pronounced as A, and if it is to be pronounced as A, then we write it as A umlaut.
You have to follow the rule which I am giving you, right?
Wrong, yeah?
You have to follow the rule which I am giving you. A umlaut, when I teach you A umlaut, you will see the sound of A umlaut. Okay? So whatever rule I have given you, you have to follow that rule. Blindly you can follow this rule, right? No need to get confused unnecessarily. After A, if it is one consonant, it is A sound, otherwise A sound. A is a mixture of A and A, but 100% not A. Okay? You can see alt, we never say alt, that's wrong. Okay? So A and A. And what is A umlaut? That I will tell you in the next lecture, right? A umlaut has nothing to do with this A sound. A umlaut is a totally different letter in this.
Okay.
It has no link with the sound of A, not at all.
Okay.
BDG, PTK table and then A, E, I, O, U, 5 letters you have to go through. Let me know once you are ready, then you can start explaining me from the top.
Okay. BDG is also okay. Okay, understood, but
Yeah.
maybe not memorized completely in 5 minutes.
Yeah,
but yeah,
yeah.
I can.
So you have to explain me. You have to explain me from the table and then these letters A, E, I, O, U. Explain me the rule and then speak these examples.
Okay. So if any word is ending with B, then we have to pronounce it as P at the end.
Yeah.
Similarly, if the word is ending with D,
Hmm.
then we have to pronounce it as D.
Hmm.
And for G, we have to pronounce it as K.
K sound. Example.
K. So examples will be Jeep.
Geep, not Jeep. It's Geep.
Oh, Jeep, okay. Jeep.
Geep, yeah.
Jeep,
Hmm.
Kint,
Hmm.
and Duck.
Next.
Good and Duck.
Yeah.
Okay. Then A, the first sound is A. When it is one consonant following A, and one plus consonant will be O. So one plus example is alt. Or,
Yeah.
Sorry, alt is correct, no?
Alt.
Alt.
Yeah.
Alt and fragen, dragon. For the for one consonant, A sound. Fragen, dragon.
Correct.
Fragen and dragon. Alt.
Next, E.
E is always A sound. So Essen. Essen.
Yeah.
Or eagle.
Egal.
Egal.
SN and egal. Next.
Okay. Here A is pronounced as A, so egal. So E and A both is coming here. Okay. Egal.
Yeah.
E again, if it is followed by one consonant,
I.
then it is
That's I.
Sorry, I.
Yeah.
If it is followed by one consonant, then it is E sound. And if it is followed by one plus consonant, then it is E with the H. E sound. Example is east. East, to eat. Weeder and built.
Next is O.
O again, it is having two sound. O.
Oder. O and O. It's not U, it's O. O and O. Okay.
Yeah. O and O. So if it is one consonant, O. So tune and mutter.
Yeah, tone and mutter. Okay.
Mutter and su. Okay. Su.
Yeah. Tone, mutter and shoe. Not su, it's shoe. SH is sh. Okay. SH is sh, that will be shoe sound. Yeah. Then now.
Su, we call it suhe also, no?
Shoe. No, nothing called shoe. Shoe is a totally different word. Okay. Whatever is written, that I am speaking. Shoe. Now we have the consonants. So first. Sorry. What?
No, it's okay. You can
Okay. So first consonant is B. B in the end is P sound, and everywhere else is B for Bombay. Okay. B in the end is and everywhere else it is B for Bombay. So speak this example. Yeah. Speak the example. Belen. Yeah.
Belen. Oben.
Corp.
Jeep.
Corp and Geep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Next is C. C is the K sound. Okay. C is the K sound. So speak the example.
Camping.
Camping. They have actually taken it from English, so you can speak it like English completely. Camping.
Camping.
Yeah. Next is D. D in the end is star. Beginning or middle is D for dog. D in the end is star. Beginning or middle is D for dog. D in the end is star. Beginning or middle it's D for dog. So speak the example.
Doom.
Yeah.
Blind.
Bider.
Wider. Wider.
Doom.
Wider.
Bider. Then Wider.
Wider. Bart.
Bart. Yeah.
And Hunt.
Yeah. Doom. Bider. Wider. Bart and Hunt. Okay.
Hunt.
Doom. Bider. Wider. Bart and Hunt. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Doom, Bider, Wider, Bart and
Wider.
Hunt.
Hunt.
Yes. Next is F. F is for sound. Normal for football sound. F is for. So speak the example of F. Foul.
Foul.
Next.
And scarf.
Shaft. Okay.
Shaft.
SH is sha. After A it is one constant, that is shaft.
Shaft.
Next
Shaft.
is G. In the end, G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. Okay. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
Geigen.
Yeah.
Again. Dark. Cloak. Okay, G at that.
Yes. Gegen, Tag and Klug.
Cloak.
Okay, clear?
Again, dark and cloak.
Klug.
Yes.
Next is H. H in the beginning is her. Beginning means first position. So H in the beginning is her, and middle or end it is silent. Middle or end it is
Middle and end is silent.
silent. So speak the example.
Halt.
Halt. Next.
Gehen.
Next.
Sehen.
Zayan.
Or
H in the
Zayan.
middle is
Zayan.
silent. Yes, Zayan. Halt, Gayan
Zayan.
and Zayan. Next is J. J is your sound. Okay. J is your sound.
Gain and Jen.
Correct. Gayan and Zayan. Gayan and Zayan. Right. Next is J. J is having the your sound. So speak the example.
Jung.
Junga.
No,
E
no.
in the end is a. E
Junga.
in the end is a. Junga.
Junga.
Then next is K, K, L, M, N, P. Okay, K, L, M, N, P having the same sound, ka, la, ma, na, pa, same sound like English. Okay, K, L, M, N, P is having the same sound like English, ka, la, ma, na, pa. So speak the example.
Class.
Class. Next.
Chicken.
Next.
Keller. Keller.
Next.
I know, yeah. Will.
Yeah.
Aman. No?
Will, Atman. Swim. Yeah.
Swim. Raven.
Swim and then rennen. Yeah.
Rennen. Okay. Rennen. Brown.
Next.
Lippe.
Leper. Okay.
Lippa.
Brown and then
Yes.
leper. Clear?
Lippa.
Yes.
Yes.
Brown and then leper. Got my point?
Yes.
Yes. So now you download this file, read the letters for 5-7 minutes from B till P. Okay? From B till P, go through it for 5-7 minutes, try to remember them, and once again revise the vowels again. A, E, I, O, U, that you revise once again. Okay? And then we will discuss that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I can read it now.
Yes.
But the thing is that I will not be able to memorize it so quickly, and
No problem,
when we
no
are
problem.
talking,
Yes, that will take time. So once again, you start from that BDG PTK, okay, from the top. Start.
so BDG will start will sound as PTK.
Yeah, in the end it will be pa and ka sound. Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm.
Keep, hint, tak.
Next.
Keep, I was getting confused. I was always saying G, but G is her.
Ga.
So
Yes. G is ga sound. It's
Keep.
not ja sound. Okay. Ga for
Yes.
good.
Yes. Keep, hint, tak.
Correct. Next.
Alt, dragon.
Yeah, explain the
Dragon.
rule. Explain the rule also.
Okay. A if one consonant and U if U for more than one
It is
consonant.
not u. It is not u.
O.
A and a.
तो मैं हिंदी में लिख लेता हूँ.
Yes. After a one consonant, that is a sound. Otherwise, a sound.
Okay. So alt, dragon.
Yeah.
Dragon.
Next, E.
E is only having one sound. E.
A sound. E is having the A sound. Okay.
A sound. Okay.
Yeah.
A sound. Ascent.
Next.
E is having E and एक बार सर ये आप बोल दो E वाला.
I is having two sounds. I is having two sounds. Long E and short E. Long E and short E. There are two sounds in I. Long E and short E. Okay.
Okay, so E. First one is E, right? Long
Yeah. Long E and second is short E. Yeah. Correct. So
Okay.
speak the example.
So, east, which is short. East. Long E के लिए wider.
Yeah. Wider, not wider. It's wider.
Okay. Wider. Built.
Wider and then built.
Sorry. Built. Wider. Built.
It's wider and built. Next is O.
Wider and?
Yes. Next is O. O is having two sounds. O and O. Okay. O and O. Two sounds are there.
O
Yeah.
and A. So,
Oder.
Udar. Udar.
Oder.
Zol.
Next. Zol.
Monad.
Yeah. Next.
Quark.
Oder, Zol, Monad and Corp.
Quark.
Okay.
Okay.
Oder, Zol, Monad and Corp.
Zol, Monad, and Quark.
Correct. Next is U. U is having the U sound. Yeah.
U sound always.
Hmm.
So, Tun, Mutter, Su.
Yes. Tun,
It is
Mutter
not
and Shu.
Mutter and Su.
Correct.
Shu.
Next is B. Explain me the rule of B.
B at the end will be P, and in the beginning it is English B. So, B or B.
Yeah. B is having ba
B.
sound. In the beginning or middle it's ba sound.
B.
In the end it is pa, P for pen. Pa sound.
sound.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Belen or Belen, Uben,
Oben. Yeah.
Crop,
Corp.
Corp,
Hmm.
and Jeep.
Geep.
Oh, sorry, Geep.
Geep. Next is C. C is having the ka sound. Speak the example.
C is ka sound, camping.
Good. Next is D. D is having the sound.
The sound.
Yeah.
The sound if it is in the beginning, and the sound if it is in the end.
Correct.
So, doom, doom, then middle may be same sound. So,
Bida.
Bida, Weeder, Bat,
Hunt. Next is F. F is for sound. Speak the example. For.
sound, foul, and shaft.
Foul and shaft.
Shaft. Then G is gay. Sound.
In the beginning of it is g, in the end it is k. Okay. Beginning of middle is
And the end
g, and in the end is k. Yeah.
Yeah. So Gehen.
Gegen.
No. 1 second. Gegen. Tag. Cloak.
Klug. Gegen, Tag and Klug. Next, H.
H is ha sound in the beginning, and at the end it is silent. Right?
Example.
So halt, gain, and sen.
Halt, gain and zen. Correct.
Right.
Next is J. Example.
Yacht, J.
Yunga.
You
Yacht is
sound.
the
Yunga.
name of the letter. Sound. Can you listen? Yacht is the name of letter. Ya is the sound. Okay.
Yes, the sound.
Yeah. Example.
Yunga.
E in the end is a. Yunga. Yes.
Yunga.
Yeah.
Yunga.
Next, KLMNP.
KLMNP. So class.
Klasa.
Chicken. Keller. Bill. Atman. Shrimp. Renan. Renan. Okay, Renan.
Yeah.
Brown. Lippe.
Lipper. Klasa, Chicken, Keller, Will, Atman, Shrimp, Renan, Brown, and Lipper. KLMN till P. Done? Tell me any doubt till P?
No.
No? Okay. Now let's move ahead. You can see my screen here. After P, next is Q. So Q always comes with U in German. Okay, just like in English, now you have quality, qualify, like that. So Q always comes with U, and QU sound is Qu. QU sound is Qu. So speak the example. Queer. Next.
Queer.
Yeah.
That is queer and okay. Cat.
Queer and then queer. Then next is R. R is literal raw sound. Okay, R is having the raw sound, raw with her. Raw sound with little bit her sound, raw. So speak the example. Riser. Speak this example. Riser. Correct. And two more examples. Speak this. Brooder. Correct. Okay.
Brooder.
Yes.
Schwester.
Brooder and then Schwester. Then next is S. Single S is the and double S is sir. Okay. Single S is the and double S is sir. Single S is the sound. Double S is sir sound. So speak the example. Zingen. Yeah.
Zingen.
Next.
Schloss.
Zingen and Schloss. Correct. Next is T. T is having T for tomato sound. Okay. T is having T for tomato sound. So speak the example. Tanken. Yeah.
Tanken. Yes. Ratten.
Tanken and then Ratten.
And Ratten.
Yes. Next is V. Okay. So V is having the fur sound. So speak the example. And W is ver. V is having fur sound and W is ver sound. Okay. V is having the fur sound and W is having the ver sound. So speak the example. Foosball. Next.
And W is ver. Very. No.
Yeah. Foosball and then no. This one Volkswagen. This you have to speak. V is fur and W is ver.
Yeah.
Volkswagen. Yeah.
Volkswagen.
Okay. Clear.
Wheel. Okay. Do I need to read the other ones?
Feel.
No. Feel. Yeah. Wheel. For washer. and wagon. Wagon.
Vegan.
Vegan.
Vegan. Okay.
Vegan.
Feel for Wasser and then vegan. And then wo.
Wo. Wo. Where? Wo.
Okay. Feel for Wasser, vegan and wo.
Okay.
Right?
Vegan.
Clear till here?
Vegan.
Yes. And then wo. Next
Yes,
is
okay.
X. X is X sound only. Okay. X is X sound only. So speak the example. X Strahlen. Okay. X Strahlen.
Strahlen,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. Speak the example. X Strahlen.
X. Stalin.
Correct.
X-rays.
Yes. X Strahlen is X-rays. Then next is Y. Y is having the ui sound. Y is having the ui sound. So speak the example of Y. Y is ui. Speak twip, twip,
Tip. Okay.
twip,
We. Trip.
twip, twip,
Whip.
twip.
Whip. Whip. Okay. Really. Whip.
Next is Z. Z is having the ta and sa mix. Ta and sa mix sound is there. Z is having the mix ta and sa, sight and soup. Speak the example. Sight and soup.
Sight and soup.
Soup. Sight and soup. Okay.
Soup.
Right. So I am sending you this PDF. First of all, you revise them from Q till Z. Okay. From Q till Z, just revise them for 5-7 minutes and revise the PDF number 1 also once again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, received.
Okay.
If two vowels are coming I and E, how do we say? For example,
IE, yeah, IE is a vowel combination. IE is a combination. IE sound is E, okay? And EI is a vowel combination. EI sound is I. EI sound is I. IE is having E sound. EI is having I sound.
I is E sound, right?
Yes, E.
And
Yes.
EI is?
EI is I.
And when S is followed by T, then we are not calling the J sound. As per the previous above rule, single S is J, right?
Single S is the, double S is sir. Okay.
And how to read this ST combination in case of X-ray?
X Istralen, ST is Ishta. That combination I'll tell you after that. ST is Ishta, okay? X Istralen.
Okay, so here that J rule will not apply.
No. ST is Ishta. Okay?
Okay, start.
Yeah. Go through the remaining, give me 2 minutes.
Yep.
Yeah, done all?
Yeah.
Okay, so start from this Q.
Yes.
Yeah, start from Q.
Yep. 1 second.
Yeah.
Start with okay. Q will be Q sound only. Q.
Q is Q. Q is Q. Okay.
Qua sound.
Yeah.
Quar.
Quer.
Quar.
Next.
R is
R.
gargle. R sound.
Yeah.
So
Riser.
riser.
And
Riser.
Bruder and
Rod.
Schwester. Okay.
Yes. Brother. Schwester.
Bruder and Schwester.
Yes, brother and Schwester.
Next.
S single S is Z sound, similar to zoo. Double S is S sound.
Sir.
So
Single S is a, double S is sir. Okay. Single S is a, double S is sir.
So Zingen,
Zingen
and Swas.
Zingen and Schloss. Okay.
Schloss.
Correct.
Schloss.
Yeah.
Next
is T.
T is similar T sound or Ta sound. T sound. The word will be Tanken.
Yeah.
Ratten.
Tanken and Ratten. Next is V and W. V is
V
for
will be first
W
sound.
verb. Yes.
V will be first sound. Volkswagen.
Okay.
And W will be V sound. V.
Verb.
So,
W will be verb.
Wasser.
Yes.
Wasser or vegan.
Wasser, vegan,
Other,
and wo.
Yeah. And other two words from V is feel and fall.
Feel and fall. Next, X.
X is like X only. X Stralen.
Okay.
Or Stalin.
Yeah, X is Stralen. Next, Y is we.
Y is we sound. So twip.
Okay.
TS. Z will be
TS,
Z
TS,
sound.
okay. TS, that will be TS sound. So sight and
Sound.
stoop. Okay.
So Zeit and Stook.
Yeah, sight and sook, correct. Sight and sook.
Shook.
Yes, yes. Now we have some
Sight.
combinations. ST is stir. Okay. ST is stir. ST is stir.
SP.
Spur. SP spur. Okay. SP is spur. Then after that, SCH is sure. Okay. SCH is sure. TSCH is chur. TSCH is chur.
Sure.
Got it? TSCH 90% area of Germany it is chur and 10% area it is sure. So that's why we call it as Deutsch also and Deutsch also. Both are
Deutsch.
correct. Then next is PF. PF is fur. PF is fur. So speak this example.
Stool.
Stool.
Uh,
Straffer.
what is it?
Hmm.
Straff.
Straffer. Yeah.
Straffer.
Hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Spillion.
Spielen. Yeah.
Spillen.
Hmm.
Spicer.
Spicer. Yeah.
Spicer.
Hmm.
Spicer. Sport.
Spot.
Sprachen.
Expression. Yeah.
Expression. Taffer.
Tougher. Mm-hmm.
Taffer.
Mm-hmm. And then fed. Fed.
Belt.
Okay.
Belt.
Yeah, fed. There are some more rules in this PDF that I will take later, okay, in the next lecture. But now I have given you one exercise. There are some words written here in the blue color. In the red color, these are the meanings. So meanings you can leave. No need to read the meanings. You can see the blue color word and try to speak the word directly. Okay.
Good.
Hmm.
Gel.
Gel.
Mager.
Magen. Magen. N.
Magen.
Yeah.
N. Okay. Magen.
Hmm.
Freitag.
Freitag. Next.
Freitag.
Hmm.
Freitag.
Freitag in many places it's an exception, right? If G is coming, they say G also. So in Freitag you can say Freitag only, not Freitag. It's mix of K and G. Some places you will get that exception of the rule. Okay.
Okay. So tag also we can say taga or tag.
Tag is tag only, but in Freitag many times they say Freitag also. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Only for Freitag or any other
Some
day of the
many
week,
words you will get. Many around 10-15 words are exceptions actually. Okay. So there that rule will not work. That words you will come to know very soon. 5-10 words are there, not
Freitag.
much. Overall you have to follow the rule only. Next. Hoot, not heart.
H-U-T.
Hoot.
Hoot.
Hmm.
Hoot.
Hmm.
Hoot.
Hmm.
Heaven.
Hmm.
Heaven is correct, huh?
Yeah.
Lernen.
Leren.
Leren.
Hmm.
Haben.
Hmm. Next. Jodler.
Jodler.
Hmm.
Zoom. J sound is actually
Junga.
J एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए. J. How to say J?
That's what I'm saying. Junga. Hello.
Junga.
Yes.
Yes.
Next. Yar.
Junga. Yar.
Hmm.
Jurist
Hmm.
is correct. Jurist.
Hmm.
Klein.
Hmm. Next. Becker. Next.
Becker.
Next.
Double S. Kissen.
Next.
Kurk.
Kurz.
Kurz.
Hmm.
Mag.
Mag. Yeah.
Mus.
Hmm.
What is this? I can't read this. Varum.
Warum. Yeah. Moose. Warm.
Warum.
Warm. Not warum. Warm. W-A-R-M.
Warm.
Warm.
RM. Okay. Warm.
Hmm.
ST.
Storm.
What is that? Storm.
Storm, yeah.
Storm.
Then next.
Net.
Next.
Net. Donor.
Donor, next.
Uh, Gwyn.
Given. Okay.
Given.
Yes. Donor and then given.
Donor.
Okay.
Given.
Correct. Tell me, any doubt till here? In this PDF, we have some rules remaining like the CH rule, and then the most important, there are some umlaut letters and these vowel combinations. The combinations are the most important part. So that we are not doing today. Okay, today we'll do till here only. Now your homework is you have to revise all the rules from A till Z first. Okay, and then this page number 4, there are some words written in the green color that you have to try at home. Okay.
Okay.
This page number 4 you have to try at home. In the next lecture we'll discuss the pronunciation. Only the pronunciation you have to practice, right? No need to learn the meanings. Leave them. Meanings will come again. In detail they will come. So no need to worry for meaning. Just the sound you have to practice.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, just give me a minute. So this is what we'll do today, right? And I've sent this PDF to you. Got it now?
Yeah, it is part 2 PDF, right?
Yeah.
So page number 4, there are green words I can see.
Yes.